guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today's video is related to handbags. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to keep your handbags from getting deformed, especially your designer semi or luxury handbags or semi-luxury handbags, or any kind of designer handbag, or even if it's a normal handbag. You want to keep it looking nice and you want to keep it from getting deformed. So as you can see, this is a Coach handbag and this is pebble leather, and you can see these these lines and the leather getting a bit squished and going down because of its weight and the texture, and this is what causes the wrinkles on the leather. And even if it's not leather and it's one of those man-made kind of leather looking material like PVC or something like that, you know what happens, or vinyl if I'm not wrong, or something that looks like leather but it's not, or if it's leather it would get wrinkled, and if it's not, most likely it's going to get cracked as it ages. So and especially the non-structured handbags like this one, this is somewhat structured at the bottom but not really, and like this handbag right here, which is not a fake, I'm against fake, but I'm into replicas. So this is a replica of the famous stellamccarteney handbag, and because this is fabric and this is suede, this is a replica and not as pricey, but it's a bit pricey. So they have used a good material. So what happens is that as it ages, the material starts to get cracked if you're not keeping the shape intact. And in this case, this is somewhat structured, but then again you can see the kind of waves it's creating, and when you're keeping it down. So to keep it from getting deformed, I have a really easy and a handy way that I like to use. So you see these, now these I'm sure everybody has them in their household, and I'm sure they keep throwing them away, because who doesn't shop online these days, guys? And these are the things that we get stuffed in the boxes when we get the stuff that we shop for. So as you can see, this has a trim line in the middle of each bag, so you can rip them apart easily. This is done for easier packaging, so you can stuff them wherever it's required in the vacuum areas to create a cushion while packaging. So we're going to need these, and let's start with this. So what we're going to do is, it's so easy, even a child can do it. So what you need to do is just stuff these bags in your handbag. Bubble bags I mean. So stuff as many as possible. Here first I would use the plain paper, the butter paper, or the paper that used to come in the handbag stuffed in when I bought them. But since some couple of years I've been using these. See this? See how much nicer the shape looks, and all well formed, and it's going to make it stay like this. So, and the other handy tip is that if you have the dust bags, or these days they even sell, some handbags do not come with the dust bags, so there are many stores, or even on online shopping sites like Amazon also sells dust bags, so you can buy those, the fabric bags. And there's one more handy tip: if you don't have those, use the old pillowcases, guys, the cotton pillowcases. Yes, trust me, they work as fabulous dust bags for handbags. So, and then the other one is this. So now I'm going to be stuffing more of, but first what you're going to do is, and then other than these bubble bags, we are going to need these squished paper thingies, like squish, 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 press them hard and squish them in all the 4 corners of the handbag like so. Press them, push, push, push to the corner like that to give the bottom structure a bit more infrastructure, more paper for the bottom, just for the bottom, to hold the corners in place. And then I'm going to be stuffing these babies inside like so. See, already starting to get the required shape. Yeah. Ignore the annoying voice. Who doesn't like the sound of rubbing plastic and rubber and sounds a bit screechy? I don't. Tell me who else doesn't. Write in the comments below. I want to know. I want to know more people like me. So, you see this? See? So much better. And then this one right here, the totally non-structured one. See this? Wow. So I'm gonna give you some shape, don't worry. So now, in this case, I'm not going to rip them apart, and I'm gonna keep them. And I'm gonna stuff the bag with this program. The more the better. There is space enough for us to be able to close it. Yeah, there you go. So just FYI guys, this bag can be held in 2 different ways. I'm going to show you that in my handbag collection video. You see that? You see that? See? So this has some shape to it now, guys. See? It looks so much better. I think we can stuff a little bit more in it. I think so too. So for the end part, I'm using a little bit of rip the part bubble. You know what I'm going to do with the rest of the bubble? I'm going to keep it. I'm going to save that for future use. So should you. Don't worry. Here, see? I love my bag so much. See? Looks so much better and so much structured. So one more handle guys, bags like this that are non-structured, avoid putting them down like this, because this is furthermore going to make them distorted and deformed. So I would say you either hang them on hooks, or if you have one of those handbag hanger thingies that fit in the wardrobe or the closet and you can fit your handbag side by side, I would say use those. Those are good for any kind of handbag. And as I said, try to store them in dust bags if you're not cleaning them on an everyday basis, and just see the difference. So if you try this tip after so long, this I know is nothing very different than I'm telling you in this video, but I thought that there might be many people that are unaware of this and that this might help them. So if you use this, please let me know if your handbags start to look a bit better while you keep them in the closet organized, and if it helps you. And for more such videos, please let me know. Any similar video, I'll make them for you. I'll make the video for you and I'll post it, and let me know if I'm going wrong in the videos, because I'm new to YouTube and I like doing this. It's a good hobby to pursue. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep yourselves tuned in for more such fun videos.